Do you open that box?
Well, so absolutely not. I think you don't do it that way. And actually, honestly, like, I'll tell you a story that I haven't actually told before, which is that shortly after we started OpenAI, I remember I was in Puerto Rico for an AI conference. I was sitting in the hotel room, just looking out over this wonderful water, all these people having a good time. And you think about it for a moment, like, if you could choose for a, like, you know, sort of potentially, like, basically that Pandora's box to be, you know, 5 years away or 500 years away, which would you pick? Right? And like, on the one hand, you're like, well, like, you know, maybe for you personally, it's better to like have it be 5 years away. But if it gets to be 500 years away and like people get more time to get it right, like, which do you pick? And like, you know, I just like really felt it in that moment. I was like, of course you do the 500 years. Like, for real. Like, there's many people, like my brother is in the military at the time, and you're like, he puts his life on the line in like a much more real way than like any of us, you know, typing things in computers and developing this technology at the time.